guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. I am Angel B, and thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to use the black DTF powder alongside the white medium DTF powder. Now in a previous video I did explain that the black DTF powder is for dark garments such as black, dark navy blues, things like that. Now you are able to use the white. If you want to use the white medium powder for your dark colors, you are more than welcome to do so. You don't have to have the black. But what I wanted to do is, because I have the black and the white medium, I wanted to try them side by side and see which one has more color poppage. Okay, so in this video I will be doing two sweatshirts. This is the first one. Let me turn my ring down a little bit. This is the first one. I'm not going to tell you right now which one is which, but this is the first one that I did with either black or white, and this is the second one that I did with either black or white. Okay, so which one is which, right? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So if you want to learn the difference between the black and the medium white DTF powder and which one of these colors is which, go ahead and stick around. Okay guys, so I'm just quickly showing you how your print should look when it's coming out of the printer, and it is completely white on the back, which is what it should look like. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and take my black DTF powder that I got from Yamation, and I'm going to go ahead and cover the back of it completely. This is the adhesion that makes it stick to the actual shirt and make it kind of become one with the shirt. So you want to make sure that your print is completely coated. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure it in my oven for 200 seconds at 100 degrees Celsius. And what I'm doing now is just kind of showing you the prints after they've been cured. This is the first one with the black powder, and then this is the second print with the white powder. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is just center this image on the first black sweatshirt that I have here. And then we're going to press it uncovered for at 325 degrees for 40 seconds. Now the transfer does have to be completely cooled. What I like to do is kind of take a shirt when it comes out and just make sure that it's nice and pressed down to the shirt. And then I'm going to set that off to the side and wait for it to cool. And we're going to go ahead and do the second sweatshirt. Same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and get it lined up and centered, and then we're going to go ahead and press this for 325 degrees for 40 seconds, and then we're going to peel the first one, which is now completely cooled, and it should peel simple just like it did. And then we're going to press it again for another 10 seconds at 325 degrees. The second press really just kind of makes the transfer adhere to the shirt and kind of become one with it, so you definitely don't want to forget to do that second press. And then we're going to go ahead and peel our second sweatshirt, and it just peels up nice and smooth. That's exactly how it should peel. And then I'm going to cover it with a Teflon sheet and press it at 325 for 10 seconds. That looks amazing. All right, you guys, so I have both of the hoodies done. Now, I know I did not use the same exact image, but I mean, I was making them for me and I didn't want to have the same hoodie with the same image. So I tried to keep it as close as possible. But I definitely think that even with them being different images, it's still a very good compare and contrast. So this is the one that was done with the black ink, which this is the one that I have. It's the Yamation DTF powder, the black powder, and I did show this in a previous video. It comes in a powder kit, and I'll leave a link for that down below if you would like to try it out. They'll send you 4 different DTF powders in one box, and you get 3 packages: the fine, The medium, no, the fine and the coarse are going to be 3-ounce packages, as well as this black powder is a 3-ounce. And then you also get the medium, and the medium will be a 6-ounce package. But you can try out all 4 of the powders that they offer and see which one works best for you. Like I said, I'll leave a link for that powder kit down below. So for this one, I used the black powder from that powder kit. And then for this one, I used the regular medium powder. The white regular medium powder. Where? Now I can't find it. Hold on 1 second. This is the powder kit here. Yeah. So this is the white medium powder. I didn't use this package because they sent me another package that has the regular medium powder, but I used the white medium powder for this one, the white one, and then the black one for this one. But this is the package that I was talking about, and they send you white fine, white coarse, and the black and the medium. Okay, so if you want to try this out with the different DTF powders, like I said, I will leave a link for this down below. But what do you guys think about the color? I mean, both colors on this black are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this is the black. That is absolutely gorgeous. The color is absolutely just popping the way it needs to. And this is with the white. Honestly, I can't say I have a preference. I can't say I feel like one pops more than the other. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section which one you guys think, or if you think one color pops harder than the other. I don't know why, but this one is kind of speaking to me a little bit more. I don't know. And this is the one that I use the black powder for, but for some reason, like, this one's kind of speaking to me more. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about the colors. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop those down below. But that's all I have for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you the difference between the black powder and the white powder. Again, the white powder, if you just want to go with the regular medium powder for t-shirts and things like that, you absolutely can. I will go with the coarse if you're going to do like denim, which I showed in a previous video. So check out my channel if you want to see how to do DTF on denim. But if you're just doing regular t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, things like that, the regular medium powder works just fine, as we can see here. If you the DTF powder, the black one, is supposed to help with the colors, like pop more on darks, so blacks, dark navy blues, things like that. But it's really your preference. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. But yeah, that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Until next time, bye.